Welcome to Love Lines. Guinness World Records largest display of origami lanterns certificate 19,552 and was achieved by Mega World Corporation Philippines at Lucky Chinatown in Manila 2015 September officially. Amazing! Ayun! Ayun yung ano niya. Tapos ayun yung lantern. Ayun. Nakikita dun sa screen pero hindi makita ng nasa camera eh. Guinness Lucky Chinatown. Ang galing. Pwede bang naman dito? Pwede pala. Okay. Lucky Chinatown Museum. Wala. Dito lang kami galing. Well, really, the most important, the most appeal pueblo of the Philippines and is the real commercial capital. Search and ball. Bumaba na sila. Bababa na rin ako. Hindi carry ng isang camera ko, madilim eh. Carry, kaya ito na lang. Opo. Sayang. Ganda niya.
Dito, doon po banda. May recto.
Kaya ikot tayo dito sa may... Saan ang ikot natin?
Kaya tayo pwede tayong diretso tapos doon sa may ikot. Paano na rin?
Continue straight at this traffic light.
Oops. May dragon. May sunog. Sana. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Love Lines. Have a good day and God bless.